So, do you also think the engineering industry can work more efficiently? Or are you also tired of working on all of those repetitive tasks? Then you have come to the right place. Because in this video I will show you how to optimize your workflows, build user-friendly web applications, and how to share those with your colleagues or your external clients. And all of this can be done with the help of Victor. But what is Victor actually? Victor consists out of 3 parts: the software development kit, the ability to integrate with third-party engineering software, and the environment to distribute your applications. So, first over to part 1, the software development kit. The software development kit enables an engineer to build user-friendly web applications by just using Python. In other words, this engineer gets rid of any front-end development, back-end development, but also doesn't have to worry anymore about hosting or security. So a single engineer can now build a web application by only using Python. And that brings me to the second part, part 2, integrations. Integrations enable you as an engineer to connect your web application to any third-party software that you already use, therefore optimizing your entire workflow, and not only that, but also improving your actual design. And then to part 3, the environment. And this is actually where it all comes together. This is the place where you will deploy or publish your application and share it with your colleagues or your external clients. The environment is equipped with a fine-grained user management system, an activity dashboard, but also has features like single sign-on and multi-region hosting. There are many more features to it, but if you would like to go more into depth, you can click on one of the videos here, or you can book a demo request on our website to get to know us better.
Victor. Automate the boring, engineer the awesome.